Okay, we're in the grade 9 and 10 class at this point, and what I want to do is a ball bounce with personality, okay? So the grade 9s are doing something like this, where you create a wall of some kind or contraption of any kind you want, okay, a floor of any kind, and this could change to be like angled wall or whatever, but your goal is to simply take this ball, move it in any direction, hit the wall, come back, showing me personality and squash and stretch, okay? So for me, I'm going to freeze this right now, and I'm just going to go, and I'm going to start with the ball in this spot for about 10 frames, and I'm not going to really think about frames at this point. I'm just going to start here, possibly roll back, and then forward maybe to here, forward to possibly here, okay? So we end up here, and I'll hang around a bit. I'll stop here for a bit, and potentially I'll decide how am I going to jump over there. So I'm going to change colors now, and I'm going to possibly go into a squash in this way, like that, squash, in order to go out here, and we'll do a stretch. We're not going to actually do all this right off the start. This is just rough planning, and I'm going to possibly hit the wall here, and then maybe bounce back, something like that. And then let's change the color so we can kind of follow this. It's not easy to follow. What should we go with? What color? Okay, have I done green yet? No. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just come down here, something like that, go up, boom, and end here at 120 frames. So the ball rolls somewhere over here, okay? Something like that. So we start somewhere here, start, and end. Okay, that's what I want to do. Okay, end up here. And really, right now, you can do as many bounces as you want, but you got to end here. So, but roughly, it's a 5-second animation. Okay, so this is done. This is my rough planning right now. All right, I'll get out of this, and I'll go to Maya, and I've set this up. And I'm going to turn everything off right here. Actually, no, I'm going to select the ball. And I want you guys to only work in one view, orthographic view. If you've done this right, it'll be front view. If you don't see anything in orthographic front, you may do side and you'll see the ball, okay? So for me, orthographic front works. So here's the first stage. What I'm going to do, I'm going to call this Command-Shift-S, and I'm going to call this 01 blocking, okay? Blocking. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my project. Let's go new project. I'm going to go to desktop. Let's go to desktop, and I created a folder, ball bounce with personality, select. It's going to say new project, desktop, yep, current project, bounce with personality. Okay, and then accept, nice, and then we'll do a quick file save as. If this doesn't go into the scenes folder, then we didn't do it right. So, okay, blocking, and I'm going to call this start. Whatever. It's all good. So we're in the right place. Okay, right off the bat, S. Make sure this is on here, your auto record. Second, let's go to preferences. Double check that you have 24 frames per second. And a lot of you like height to be 2 and key size to be 2. Okay, so I'm going to save here. All right, so the first 10 frames, I don't want any movement, S. Just so that it gives us enough time to see what's going on here, okay? So W for move. I'm going to move somewhere over here. I don't know where. Oh, hold on. Let's not do that. Let's move forward in time, 10 frames maybe, and then do that. And if this red button, if you don't see a red column right away, it means your auto key is not on. All right, so that's cool. And then I want to end up somewhere over here, maybe at somewhere here. I'll slide over there. And you're going to see some issues with this right off the bat. And then somewhere from here on, I want to squash it and then take off. Okay, so maybe we should even come more forward, somewhere here. I don't know. Okay, somewhere here, something like that. And I'll just go forward in time, and I'll go like this. Right there. Notice that I am blocking, and I'm not really animating, okay? I'm not squashing and stretching. So this ball is going to come back down really fast. Okay, and we'll bring it somewhere here. And then we're just going to a couple bounces and end over there at 120. 120, I think we should just drag it over here somewhere. Who knows? So it hits, a couple frames over, up, and then a couple frames over, down, something like that. This should be a little higher. Should be like something like that. Who knows? But we'll fix all this later, okay? Hopping over, over. And the only reason my ball is moving forward because the last frame is here. Isn't that cool? It's forcing the ball to move unless I do something else. So the next key for me is going to be an impact hit. Okay, one more up and down. Who knows? One more and bring it down. I don't know what, and then it'll end over here somewhere. Okay. So quickly, I have this set. I'm gonna go to my preferences, and we are using Arnold in 2018. So first off, let's give it a name. Bounce and underscore personality. 01. Okay, and we want to change this to JPEG. Sweet. And 100 quality, yes. Name extension right here. Use this one, please. Okay, and we are going from frame 1 to 120. 120 frames, 121. 121. Okay. Right now we're going to use the front view. Okay, and 960, 540, doesn't matter. Change this whatever you guys want. Let's just do 1024. It's tiny, right? You guys aren't used to this size. So let's, oh no, I'm just going to go to 540 here, just because it's fine for now. Okay, Arnold, we're not going to touch here. I may crank this to 4, and this one to 3. Okay, and close. So first thing I want to do, I want to run a Playblast. Playblast right here. So right click in the timeline, come to the options, and make sure you have AV on. Sometimes it could be image, and if it's an image, make sure you change it to JPEG. And if you have an option to make this 100, you do. Okay, AV foundation, display size, what is this? Display size from render settings, good. Scale 1, quality 1, and the most important part here, save to file and then browse. This should go right into your movie. So I'm going to go bounce, block, underscore 01. Okay, save, apply. Ding ding, very nice. So let's see this. Okay, I like the ending, but nothing else. Okay, so, cool. So, 10, we said we're going to go back here, right? Now notice that the Y is not the same here. What's the Y here? Look at that, 1, right? So if I want to roll from here to here, and the Y has changed, why don't we just bring it back to 1 and see what happens? Oh, yeah. Okay, so from here, goes there. Okay, not bad. Then, we should stay here for a minute, and you guys remember when we copy and paste the same frame, nothing really changes. So let's hold it for 3 frames or something. Who knows? Paste, paste, boom. There should be, okay, good. And then you go forward to here. Again, I just want it to go forward. The Y has changed. So no worries. Press 1. Watch what happens. Go here. We hold for 3 frames. So we should hold, right? Copy, or whatever number that is. Paste, paste. All right. So boom, boom, here, and then I'm going to squash and take off right there. I go like that and come back. All right, so this should be good. Step 1, stage 1 is good. So now we're going to go into the area where we talked about 2 panels, like layout, 2 panes stacked. And we're going to fix a few things. And the first thing we're going to fix is the y-axis. So you guys remember, you have demonstrated the ball bounce to me. So I'll go to TY, translate Y, and you guys know right off the bat, we're not doing dips. This is not slow out, slow in, slow out, all that business. So what we're going to do right off the bat, we're going to take all these guys right here. Okay, I'm going to break them, or we'll just go like this. Look, see? Okay, so this is a linear tangent. What I like to do is break them so that I can have nice sharp movements. Okay, so I'm going to break this one because I think this is the wall. Boom. So I want it to go quickly to the wall. I don't want this like soft, like roller coasters, come to the top, wait, and then drop. I want this to be really fast, right? So break, sweet, make that super fast, something like that. So let's zoom in a bit and see what's going on here, okay? You guys have done this. It's the same thing as the ball bounce, nothing different. But you're seeing the application of it, okay? So here, we'll take this one, bring it like that over here, and then we'll bring this one down so it comes back fast, steady. Okay? So again, look what I'm doing here. I'm just playing around. Since these are the bounces, I can come in here. I can come in. Let me just zoom in a bit more, and you come over here. So we should always slide to see where we are. So this is the first hit on the ground. Okay? So there it is. So look at that. Sharp, sharp, right? So we go like that. There's a nice hang over here possibly. Where is this? Here. Boom. And it hits here somewhat of an angle. Very nice. And we want to stay above the green, okay? Above. So you don't want to go in. So look what we're doing. We're doing these nice, so we don't want to go out like that because that would be a disaster. Okay, so here, boom, this is how you guys are going to fix all your animations, okay? I'm looking to see this from you. Squash stretch comes after, guys. It does not matter right now, okay? So don't worry about it. Let's get this done. I can add more bounces if I want. So what I'm going to do right now quickly, and I'll pause after this. We'll do, what do we got here? Let me just put save frame on. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit, and I'm going to call this stage 2, okay, of my blocking. 2, okay? Just 2 so we know. And I'm going to quickly write, and I'm going to see, where's the top ball? Somewhere up there, right? Okay, I don't like the arc there. Whatever, we'll see. So we'll just right click, Playblast. And before we hit Playblast, we want to, remember, scroll in and out here, because sometimes you may not see this part here, save to file. So I'm going to call this blocking 2. And here it is, apply. Okay, boom. So you can see now, we have a huge amount of them. Okay, that's taken way too long. I noticed already. So look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so without pushing rolls, squashes, and stretches, see, that's taking too long to hit, right? So watch what I'll do. This will be the last thing I'll show you in this video, okay? So we know somewhere here, T-wise, there's somewhere here, this is taking too long, wherever that is. Where is that? 35 to 47. Looks to me like a 12 frame right here, 12 frames. And there's really a dip going on here, okay? So there's some kind of a dip, look at that. So we need to look at something else here. Let's see, X, yes. And it's probably X too. So what I'll do here, I'll make this area sharp, just for now. Break the tangent, friends, okay? Grab this, sharpen this up. It's gonna look a little different, so don't worry about it. We can fix it more later, okay? So let's look at this, boom. Okay, that's not bad. How's Z doing here? Z, Z, Z. Okay, so X right here. That's from a movie, okay? I didn't make that up. I won't even mention it. Okay, and I want that to come back fast. So what I'm going to do here, look at this, guys. This is what I told you guys before. Here's the most important part, your timing, okay? So we're going to do a bit of timing just right off the bat. So this was 12 frames, right? Click out, click on the ball. Make sure sphere from the top is selected. I'm going to hold shift down, left click, stop. Release your hands, and then go back, middle scroll, and bring it in faster here. Okay? And what I'll do here, I'll do the same thing. Shift, and then and drag. Left click, drag. So I may just bring these guys in. This doesn't work in this version. Middle scroll in here. So I'll show you guys other ways to do this for now. But let's just see how this looks in here. Okay? Click out. Let's see. Okay, we need to start, buddy. A little faster, not bad. Okay, I'll stop right here. I think this is getting too long for you guys. Okay, Balian out. This is first step of your blocking. Okay, we'll get into squash and stretches and rolls next. Bye-bye.